You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this British-American filmmaker, Oppenheimer. If you want to learn how to pronounce Oppenheimer, make sure to stay tuned as well. I've got loads of videos for you. Christopher, British English or American English, Christopher. Nolan, not Nolan, Nolan, Christopher Nolan. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.